Welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the fingerprint in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, you have to go down and search for the settings here. Next, go down and search for the security here. There is an option fingerprint here, and you can set up the fingerprint and pattern, pin and password, whatever you want. So let's try with the first option. L is the pattern, and now you can choose that about the notification. If you want to show all notification, this is the option for you. If you have don't show any notification, you can disable it if you wish. Now set up with your fingerprint. So let's set up. You can place your finger, so I got it, and place it a few times. To recognize your fingerprint with the sensor, you need to do this many times. Yep. They ask me about to place the finger on the corner. So the last time, okay. We can add another fingerprint if we wish. Done for now. And there is only one fingerprint, so let's try this working. Yep, it's working. Let's try with another finger. No, it's not working. If you have some few try with missing, you're gonna have to place your pattern. Yep. So that's it for now. I hope the video was helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.